In today's video, we will cover how to retrieve a list of pending user action users using Users API collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to try those steps in a test environment first. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click the Run in Postman button next to the user's collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click the Import button. After the import, the user's API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, you will need to set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. We will use the List Provisioned Users API call. This API call will retrieve a list of users with the status Provisioned, which is the same as pending user action. Then, click Send. The response received will be a 200 OK along with all the data. Click Save Response to a file. It will download a JSON file. Use a desired third-party tool to convert the JSON to a CSV file. This way, Okta admin can get a list of pending user action users. Thank you for watching. Check out our Okta support playlist for more. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.